Hi, and welcome to my on-page SEO video course. Now, before we get started, I want you to download this PDF document because this will help you follow along with the course. And you can also reference this in the future. Now, you should be able to download this PDF document within the resources section. You should see a section over here that says resources, and there will be a link to download this document. And you can also just download the PDF directly from the Udemy website. But if you have any trouble downloading the document, you can also get this from my website as well. Here's the link, seocompanylosangeles.us/part1. So I'll actually put this link in the description of the video. You just can copy and paste it directly into your browser, and you'll be redirected to this document. So I'm just going to paste. There's the link. Enter. And as you can see, you're redirected to the document here. So you can download this document or you can print this out so you can have, and this will help you follow along. So if you have any questions or you need help accessing this document, go ahead and send me a message. But if you're ready to go, I'll see you in the next video and we'll get started.